How to cancel Spotify Premium. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can cancel your Spotify Premium. Now, without any further ado, let's dive right into it. Now, keep this in mind that you cannot actually get a refund after you cancel your Spotify Premium. You also might want to do this using your web browser. I will be using the app, but I suggest you that you use the browser as the cancel subscription option sometimes only comes in the browser. So let us begin. The first thing you'll need to do is open up your Spotify. After you open up your Spotify, tap on your profile icon that is on the top left. After you tap on your profile, all you need to do is head over to settings and privacy. And after you're there, on the top you should find the account option. Head over to account. After you see that, you will see the premium plan option. Tap on that, and after you tap on that, if you scroll down, you should see an option to simply cancel your subscription. Now, if you do not find it right around here, you can head back and you will see this option that says to close your account yourself and delete your data permanently. Click here. Simply click on that and it will take you to someplace else. And after you get redirected, you can easily just cancel your account and that will cancel your subscription as well. And it's that simple, guys. That is how you can cancel your Spotify Premium. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.